Alright, got my nub. Got my mom's car new battery. Also got it. And hopefully got an extension long enough to get in there. I don't believe I have to take that side out. I don't know, I'm not sure. We'll find out. Car. So today we're going to find out if a battery will start the car. It's hard to see in there, eh? Here we go. Gotta do with that 50-year-old rust. And the one on the other side would be a different size. So we're going to pull the little car up to the throwing section here. I'm not sure how it's going to work with this downhill slide. I'm about to find out. This guy here is called a shaker hose. Where'd you go? There you are. You put that in the gas tank, start shaking, and it'll start siphoning for you. Looks like I might have to move somebody. Let's see what happens. So all I did was shove that guy in there. Start doing this. Ooh, I had a bubble. It's got some stuff in there, but it's not running yet. There we go. I don't know how much gas is in that car, but I'll be here to whip that thing out if it starts overflowing. Hopefully this is why it wouldn't start, but I don't know. I watched somebody else on YouTube said it took 17 or 7 minutes to fill his Jeep. This is a lot smaller gas can. Alright, so I moved the Jeep up a little bit. Got a little bit of spot of an air bubble there. And a huge spot of an air bubble here. Till the gas is working. Has to get. Alright, so I moved the Jeep up a little bit. Got a little bit of spot of an air bubble there. And a huge spot of an air bubble here. Till the gas is working. Has to get. Alright. So you got the extra gas. Didn't seem to want to start it. And still doing the same thing. There was a time when I thought my theft deterrent was pull the coil wire. But it looked to me like the coil wire was sitting on this thing. That way all my cars would never start. And I just have to remember where I put that coil wire. But for now, it's done. I'm done. Time's up. It's going to snow tomorrow. Gotta go out in the backyard and pull up the mole chasers because they don't like the snow. The mole chasers, I don't know if the moles like snow or not. Someday this car will start again. It used to start. It's just having a bad day. We'll get it fixed sooner or later. We'll get the starter on this one fixed. We'll get everything fixed on the Firebird that's hiding in the garage. Off to the backyard.